Mrs. O'Connor Vince here. This week I wanted to walk you through the DNA project. The DNA project in summary, and I will go over this with you in extent on Music First and post it on Google Classroom, is kind of like a podcast. So you're picking 4 of your favorite songs and you're writing about why you picked those 4 songs. Are they a part of your culture? Maybe you have a certain memory associated with those songs. Maybe you just like the songs, and you can use the song worksheet to kind of guide your writing through that. But basically, I wanted to show you how to do it because there are several steps to just kind of navigate through the project. It shouldn't take you too long. I think the longest part of this project is actually writing and selecting your songs. So don't get too hung up on that. I know it kind of seems like, oh, I got to pick the 4 best songs ever. But really, this is just a glimpse of some music tastes that you have. And this is a great opportunity for you to get to know a little bit more about me and for me to get to know a little bit more about you. So again, this is called the Personal DNA Project. This is the first project in what I call our hip hop unit. So again, this project is going to set you up for success in other projects to come. So again, this paragraph is just kind of summarizing what I just said. You're picking 4 songs and you're writing about either the musical characteristics or your personal connection with the song. Selection of songs. You do not have to submit this to me as long as you submit the overall product. If you want to do it in stages, because that helps you, you can, but I am not necessarily looking for this. But basically, this is kind of like a draft form. Submit the 4 MP3s that you are planning on using and your notes responding to the music in order to help you write the narrative. Now, it's really important that you listen to the music while you are writing your narrative. It's important that you reflect on certain things. Maybe you're really familiar with the song. You say, oh, I know that song. But you'd be surprised at how much, listening with open ears really gives you kind of a different perspective. Here is what we are submitting on Music First, however, the written narrative. Now, again, the written narrative is just a way to kind of write down your thoughts because you will be recording this with your voice. It's important that we do this step. Otherwise, you'll be saying things like, yeah, so, and that's really uncomfortable in terms of a presentation, especially when it's just audio and not video. We really don't want that. Okay, so it's really easy for you to just read off of the descriptions that you've already created rather than trying to do it on the spot. This is the first one I did. This is several years ago. So again, I just wanted to kind of update some of my work with you today. So the first song I picked was by Radiohead. Second was by Akashic Record. It's actually like a jazz funk tune. Third was Dave Matthews Band. And fourth was Sigur Rós, which if you've been watching our Music T-shirt Friday, you know that I love them and they're a post-rock Icelandic band. But anyway, so this example here is posted right here for you. It's also posted on my website, which I will pull up for you, musicoconnor.com. Remember, whatever projects that we're looking at, we can go to Music Tech. This is the Personal DNA project. And I am going to update this with the video and post it here, but there is the SoundCloud version of this here. Okay. So the first thing that you can see that I've done is I've created a new Google Doc just for my reference. And I have looked up each one of these songs here that I chose. And you'll hear a little bit about each one of these throughout our time recording. And again, this is just a kind of a rough draft for myself. You can see there are about 4 or 5 sentences per song, and that's what I expect of you. And again, remember, there's no wrong answer in this. So it's really important that you kind of take the time to reflect on why you picked these songs. And again, even if you just want to explore them musically, talk about what instruments you hear, talk about different sections of the song, talk about the lyrics. Any of those things are acceptable. So you can get really kind of creative with what you want to talk about here. Looking back at music first, so my view looks a little different than yours, but under the written narrative, this is where you would have the submit button, and you would just copy and paste this into here, okay? And then just click submit. Now there is a green submit button. You can go back and edit it if you need to. Whenever saving text, you always want to push the submit button to make sure you don't lose it.